Alright guys, so I figure while we're waiting for that engine, why not clean the engine bay up and get her painted. Obviously this isn't going to be a restoration, so I'm not going to take off every little piece like the vacuum actuator for the rear end. I'm not going to unbolt it to get underneath it and get it perfect. This isn't a restoration. It's just cleaning it up, making it look nice. I mean, as you can tell from the rest of the body, if you've watched some of my previous videos, it's pretty damn beat up. So I'm not going to put a ton of time and energy and money into restoring this truck. You know, maybe someday in the future when I have, if I ever have a ton of cash to just blow, maybe I will, but I think the patina on this truck is worth keeping. Alright, so with that, we're gonna clean this engine bay, but I'm also gonna start bleeding the brakes, kind of get that stuff done, see if I'm gonna need some wheel cylinders, and I think the master cylinder is leaking, so we'll see about that. Right on, let's get her done. Let's go ahead and pour some good old brake fluid in her. Sweet. Let's go crack open this rear passenger side brake line and try to get it to start dripping. This tire when I first bought it was seized up, so hopefully, I mean, I'm pretty certain there's gonna be some issues in there with the brakes, but hopefully we can get her at least trying to stop. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that or not right there. A bunch of brake fluid just leaked out, so that's a good sign. This side, not so good, although I did get some water that dripped right into my face, so that's awesome. Alright, so now that we've got our brakes being bled, I'm going to start cleaning up this engine bay. And yeah. Let's see how that goes. I'm going to be using, 2 or 3 tools for this. I'm going to use a scraper and then a wire wheel on a grinder. So let's get her done. finish this off, we'll show you guys what the ending product looks like. Alright, so now that I've basically gotten all the big stuff off with my scraper, we're gonna pull out the good old grinder with a wire wheel. Get it nice and clean. So basically I'm going to do that to the rest of the truck. Yeah. Alrighty, so we've got everything basically ready to go. I just hit it with some mineral spirits. I used a Scotch-Brite pad and a rag to clean up all the oil and kind of give a little bit of scratches into this old paint. So yeah, I'm gonna mask this guy off and then we'll get her painted. Sweet. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back over all this with mineral spirits, because anywhere where you touch, oil are going to be there. So I got to hit a bunch of different places and where my feet are standing. So yeah. Okay, so here we are, ready to paint. Bam. No, I'm not using a spray gun because this cool stuff right here, well, you can't really see it, but it's a direct-to-metal undercoating or like some type of coating stuff I was introduced to, and apparently you can either spray it on, roll it on, or brush it on. And I figured it's going to be a lot easier and nicer for me to just brush it on than it is to spray it on, because then I don't have to worry about, you know, opening the garage door to let all the fumes get out and, you know, whatever. So we're brushing today. Let's do this. pulled the masking tape off, and here's our finished product. Looking pretty good in there. Sweet. Alright guys, so now she's all finished up. I think we're gonna end up calling it there. So basically how the brakes are looking are, well, I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to let them sit for a little while and we'll see where it goes. We'll see if anything pops up. I might just leave the master cylinder. Yeah, it's leaking a little bit, but it doesn't hurt right now to just keep topping it off full of fluids. When I'm driving it, if it starts to like leak a ton of fluid, then okay, yeah, we'll change it. But we're gonna wait and have to see what happens then and there. But other than that, this engine bay, she's looking pretty dang good. I've already actually started putting the wiring back in, and I'm testing the lights. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm not quite sure what I'll be doing for that, so we'll see what happens for the next video. I'm trying to think of some ideas. We'll see. Sweet. Hey, if you guys like this video, let me know. It's really nice. I've been getting a lot of support, so that's cool. Oh, if you could, if you like it, hit the like button. That makes my videos, I guess, pop up for more and other people. And hell, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. I guess there's a little like notification thing that you can hit for whenever my videos do get uploaded. I try to upload at least once a week. Yeah, comment below what you thought. Sweet. Hey, we'll see you guys in the next one.